Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this sign that I got at Dollar Tree. It's like a little picture frame. I'm going to pull all the stuff off of it, and then I'm going to paint the whole outside edge on the top with a antique white color. I'm going to go right over all of those little nails that are on the frame. And I gave this 2 good coats. And I did around the edges also. Once that was all coated and dry, I am going to take my mini sander and I'm going to sand off some of the excess paint, going right over the little nails that are on there also. Once I have that all sanded, I am going to take my antique wax and go around the whole frame also. Getting the edges. I went right over the little nails with that also. And give this a nice aged look. Once I have that all done, I am going to paint the little stem at the bottom with the antique wax also. So I'm just going to give that a nice quick coat of that. Make sure I get the edges. Then I'm going to paint the bottom base the same color that I painted the top of the frame. And I gave that another 2 coats also. Making sure I got around the edges, trying not to get any on the stem that we just stained. Then I'm going to sand that down also, just along the edges. And then I'm going to hit that with the antique wax as well. And I also painted the little clip that was on there at the start. You can see it in the top left of the video. I gave that a quick coat of paint. And then I'm going to glue that back into place at the top. And then I'm going to add this cute little vintage postcard that I got on Amazon. Pop that right in, and look at how cute this is already. Make sure that it's nice and even. Then I'm going to add a couple pieces of greenery to the bottom. So I'm just going to lay those on the bottom with a little hot glue. One on either side. And then I'm going to add this cute poinsettia right to the center. And I just cut off the backing so that it would sit flush. I'm going to add that right to the center, and look how cute this is. I absolutely love how this turned out. It was so super easy, and it is adorable. I love the vintage vibe that it has. I love vintage Christmas, and I think this just really came together. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you to make one, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.